Good morning, Compass families, scholars, and learning coaches. Melissa here, your middle school coordinator, with this week's Monday morning message. Today, I have the results of the first week's Learning Lab attendance, and with the first week of the pie contest in the books, the excitement is starting to build. So here are this week's results. 8th grade is in first place with 58% participation in all learning labs. 6th grade is in second place with 39% participation. 7th grade is in third place with 37% participation. While 8th grade is in the lead, it is still a close race. It is early in the contest and it is anyone's game. So round up your classmates and get to those learning labs. Did you know that each grade level has their own Google Calendar with all of your learning lab times and links right on it? So if you don't know where that is or how to find it, contact any of your teachers who can help. Also, in terms of the pacing in your classes, you should be completed or close to have completed Unit 1, Lesson 5 in all of your courses. So, we currently have 80% of all middle school scholars who are within 1 week of that benchmark. So this is amazing news, Compass scholars. Keep up the hard work. And if you're lucky and that number stays above 70%, you are going to get to pie me and JJ Lewis, CEO of Compass Charter Schools, in the face. A quick tip to ensure that you stay on pace: create a schedule for yourself. That works for you. Write it down somewhere in your work area or put it in your Google Calendar to ensure you're working in each class every day. Keep up the good work attending learning labs and staying on pace, and have a great week. Good luck.